Question 10, shade the regions. So x is greater or equal to -2. So if x is greater or equal to -2, that is a line that goes up the graph at -2, because every point on that line has an x value of -2, and if I want to be greater than that, I need all the points that are to the right of that line. So that's the first one. For the second two, we're going to have to use quick table of values to work out where the lines go. So if we look at the second one, so we need to do a quick table of values for the line y plus x equals 1. A couple of options with this. The easiest one here is to just think of pairs of numbers that work. So x and y values. If we pick some x values, we can work out what the y values must be. So if x is 0, what plus 0 equals 1? 1. When x is 1, 0 plus 1 equals 1. When x is 2, minus 1 plus 2 will equal 1. All I need is 3 points, and then I can join them up to create a straight line. So my first point is 0, 1, so that's here. My second point is 1, 0, and my third point is 2 minus 1. Then I can join each of those dots up to create the next line. Now y plus x has to be less than or equal to 1, so therefore I need to be below that line. And then the final one, we can use another little table of values for that one. This time we're looking at 2y equals x. So again, if I pick some x values and work out what the y values will be. So x is 0, 1 and 2 again. So if x equals 0, 2y equals 0, y will also be 0. If x equals 1, what I'm saying is that 2y equals 1, so therefore y equals a half. So I can put a half there, and then when x equals 2, I get 2y equals 2, so y equals 1. So my points are 0, 0, 1, 0.5, and 2, 1. And then again, 3 points are sufficient to prove that I've got the correct straight line. Join those up, and then I've got in the inequality that 2y is bigger, so that means I want to be above the line I've drawn. And then it says indicate the region that represents all three, so I've got to be to the right of this line, below that line, and above that line. So the region I want is this triangle here. There's no need to do any more shading than that, you'd be wasting time.